Did Ireland invent whiskey? The Red Book of Ossory, written in the year 1324, refers to Aqua Vitae, water of life, Uisce Beatha in Irish, or whiskey as we now know it. Today, Irish whiskey is loved worldwide. You can visit over 30 craft distilleries across the island, from the world's oldest licensed distillery at Bushmills to the home of Jameson in Middleton, from Teeling in Dublin to Titanic Distillers in Belfast. The spirit of Irish whiskey is alive in the land, the people and the craft. With 700 years of whiskey history, come and visit Ireland, where it all began.